Welcome to Raymond classes. Vinay, what are you doing now?
Now I am studying English.
Very good. Which topic you are doing studying? You are studying?
Grammar topic.
Which grammar topic you are studying?
Tenses.
Tenses. Okay. How many tenses are there? Three tenses. Three tenses are there. Okay. Which are those?
Present
tense,
past, future.
Past tense, future tense. Okay. In present tense, how many parts are there?
4 parts.
4 parts. Which are those?
First is simple present tense, simple
Present continuous
tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense.
Very good. Very good. Do you give me example of simple present tense?
Yes, sir. He plays cricket.
Yes, very good. So I will tell you some examples and I will show you also. Okay? I will show you and I will tell you.
Okay.
First one, I go to school.
Yes.
Second, you eat fruit.
Yes.
Third, we read English.
Okay.
Fourth, they write English.
Yeah.
5, he drinks water.
Okay.
And 6, she learns English.
Yes.
7, it catches the rat.
Yes.
8, Ram goes to concert.
Okay.
Do you know?
Yes.
And why in a second, okay, present continuous tense.
Okay.
I will give example also. Present continuous tense. I am going to school.
Yes.
You are eating fruit.
Yes.
We are reading English. They are writing English. He is drinking water. She is learning English.
Yes.
It is catching the rat.
Yes.
Ram is going to concert. Okay?
Okay.
I will explain you
Yes.
in a simple present tense.
Yes.
In simple present tense, here third form of the person.
Yes.
Third form of the person
Singular
will
third person.
singular. Third form of the person
Yes.
will, if the third person is singular and the verb
Yes.
takes yes and yes to the verbs.
Words.
Okay? When we make the sentences or the construct the sentences in the simple present tense, at that time the third person means
He, she.
he see it. He see it. These pronouns will are these nouns means singular nouns will take
Yes.
yes to and yes to the Words. okay.
Words.
Verbs. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And in the simple present tense, what is the formation means subject, verb and object.
Yes.
There is no ing and there is no auxiliaries.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
And in the second form, present continuous tense,
Yes.
when continuous is there, what is the difference between the simple present tense and present continuous tense? Do you tell me?
Present continuous ing.
No, simple present tense.
Yes. Simple present.
Simple present tense, and what is the difference between the simple present tense and present continuous tense? Can you tell me?
Present continuous tense have ing in this tense.
Okay, I will tell you. I will explain thoroughly.
Yes.
In present continuous tense,
Yes.
what is the difference between the simple present and present continuous?
Yes.
In present continuous tense, the which subject
Yes.
will take the auxiliaries. Subject will take the auxiliaries and verb plus ing.
Yes.
Verb plus ing. And the subject are taking the auxiliaries according to the pronouns and the subjects.
Okay.
Suppose he is there,
Yes.
it takes is. Suppose you is there, it takes are.
Yes.
In plural sense, we take the are. In singular sense, we will take the is. Do you understand?
Yes.
And auxiliary are plus verb plus ing.
Yes.
And auxiliary is verb plus ing.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Means we are reading English.
Yes.
They are writing English.
Yes.
So in this way. Okay?
Yes.
Do you understand thoroughly?
Yes, sir.
Then we will go to the third form.
Yes.
Means present perfect tense.
Yes.
Present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Okay? I will show you the examples first and then we will explain. Okay? I will show the examples first.
Okay.
Okay? 3. Present perfect tense means पूर्ण भविष्य काल. I have gone to school. 1. Number 2. You have eaten fruit. Number 3. We have read English. Number 4. They have written English. Number 5. He has drunk water. Number 6. She has learnt or learned English. Number 7. It has caught the rat. Number 8. Ram has gone to concert. So I will give example of the fourth one, present perfect continuous tense, purna vartamana kal. I will give example first. I have been going to school. Number 2. You have been going to school. Number 3. We have been reading English. Number 4. They have been writing English. Number 5. He has been drinking water. Number 6. She has been learning English. Number 7. It has been catching the rats. Number 8. Ram has been going to concert. Okay. I will explain you. What is the difference between the present perfect tense and present perfect continuous? Do you know?
I don't know properly.
Okay.
Please explain.
I will tell you.
Okay.
In the present perfect tense, when the work has done,
Yes.
means the work has completed.
Okay.
And that sense, at that time, we use present perfect tense.
Yeah.
Means I have gone to school. Means ನಾನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ.
Yes.
Means मी पोचलेले आहे. कुठे शाळेत मी पोचलेला आहे. म्हणजे when we have the complete sense, at that time we use this type of the sentence. Okay. And then last one, present perfect continuous tense.
Okay.
What do you mean? Means what is the difference between the present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense? Do you know?
I don't know properly.
Sir. I will tell you.
Yes.
What is the difference between the present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense? Present perfect continuous shows the long period.
Yes.
Means the work has been going on. The work has been going on. Means the activities are going on from the long period. From the long period. I will give you an example. I have been going to school. Means from how many years you are going to school?
Yes.
From how many years you are going to school?
From first standard.
From first standard means 10 years.
Yes.
From 10 years you are going to school.
Yes.
Is it completed?
No.
No. Is it complete?
No.
Complete. Means you are going to school now.
Yes.
Means you are going to college now.
Yes.
Means when we have the started the activities or the works
Yes.
in the very long period.
Yes.
Means in the very back period. And it is not completed now. It
Yes.
is now process. Means it is going on now.
Yes.
At that time we should use present perfect continuous tense.
Okay.
Suppose I will give you another example. We have been reading English.
Yes.
Means from how many years we are reading English? From 10 years
Yes.
we are reading English.
Yes.
Is it complete now? No. That's why means at that time means what situations are there means whenever or wherever the work has started
Yes. Yes.
and it is continued now.
Yes.
And it is not completed means not reached its destination.
Okay.
At that time, at that situation, so we use this type of the sentence.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand thoroughly?
Okay.
Okay. We will stop here. Means we completed the present tense.
Yes.
Present tense. Okay. We will discuss in the next video future tense.
No. Past tense.
Past tense. Okay. We will discuss about the past tense. Okay.